Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 20 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on the security. Now let's tap on advanced, and here we've got the encryption and credentials, so let's enter. At the very bottom of the list we've got clear credentials option, so just tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, if you really want to remove all certificates, so simply tap on OK. And as you can see, we've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to clear credentials in your Motorola Edge 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.